got a quad lock handlebar mount with the wireless charger and a USB plug for the XSR. Alright guys, so this isn't going to be a how-to video or anything. I'm just going to do a little time lapse of me putting it on here, but should be pretty straightforward from what I understand. You just take off the headlight. There's a little cover back there. You take that cover off, and then there should be a plug that is available for this to plug into. And then you just mount the USB cable for your quad lock and should be good to go. So here we go, let's get into it. Okay, so once you get the headlight off, there's a panel right here. You just remove that panel, and to get to the USB accessory port is this cable here. You just pop that off, and the USB should, or that plug-in should plug right into that. Right now I have it kind of sandwiched between the bolt and the nut for the brake reservoir. I'm not sure if I like that. I might put it here and have it down and away a little bit more. Let me try that and see how that looks. Alright guys, well this isn't going to work. The bolt's not long enough and I don't have one that's long enough to thread all the way in. So I'm either going to bring it up. So I'm either going to bring it up and over and sandwich it back into there like that, or I really don't want to loosen. I think that bolt's going to be too big to use for that hole. I don't want to use this bolt because I don't know. I don't like the way that looks sitting there. I could put that bolt right through there. I don't know, maybe here is just more out of the way and looks cleaner. Well, let's just roll with this. All right, got everything buttoned up. That's secured to the brake reservoir. I have a couple zip strips running the cable down through this cover here. Put the light back on. I did get caught up a little bit. I was a little bit of an idiot. There's a little rubber grommet in here and I couldn't get it back on, and then I realized it's just sitting on a post. So I took the rubber grommet off and then I was able to slide it in to the hole to the headlight and then slide it back on the post. So don't be an idiot like me. You could take that off and make your life a whole lot easier for yourself. All right, let's get the quad lock on. All right, so we got the wireless charger on there with the, I found the shortest USB to Type-C cable I could find, but I think if I find a shorter one, it'll clean up that run a little bit. I actually, I'm going to use the USB cable that quad lock sent you. It looks like it's insulated. I'm going to use this one instead. Pretty simple. Twist it on there, and it's actually like, I'm surprised on how well it's on there. Turn the bike on, and there you go, charging. That's it guys, it's that easy. I think that's going to help me out a lot. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Until next time, peace.